Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In IELTS listening part 1, sometimes students get confused when the listening test starts. In this video, I'm going to give you 10 by 10 tips for IELTS listening part 1. Okay, so let's take a start. Alright guys, we are going to start with IELTS listening और मैं चाहूँगा कि एक फ्रेश माइंड के साथ हम इसका स्टार्ट करें. बातों को सुनना है, समझना है. आपके पास पूरा एक पेपर है, पूरा टेस्ट है और इस टेस्ट को इंस्ट्रक्शंस के साथ आपने सॉल्व करना है. ठीक है, फॉलो करते हुए इसको सॉल्व करना है ताकि ये एक टेस्ट आप अच्छे से सॉल्व कर लें तो अगले टेस्ट पे डेफिनेटली यू विल फील मच बेटर. नाउ लेट्स सी. Section 1, questions 1 to 6, complete the notes below. अब यहाँ से हमें क्या समझ आया कि आपने नोट्स को कंप्लीट करना है. नेक्स्ट लाइन में लिखा हुआ है राइट 1 word फॉर ईच आंसर. अब नंबर नहीं लिखा हुआ तो सिर्फ और सिर्फ 1 word आएगा और 1 word की डेफिनेशन आप लोगों को पता है कि अगर हाइफन के साथ भी वर्ड हो जाए तो वो एक ही वर्ड होगा. ठीक है. सेल्फ ड्राइव टूवर्ड्स इन द यूएसए. अब मैं चाहूँगा कि आप लोग थोड़ा सा इमेजिन करें. सेल्फ ड्राइव का मतलब है कि वो आपको गाड़ी दे देंगे और उसके बाद आप सैर सपाटा करें, वापसी पे गाड़ी वापस कर दें और अपने घर चले जाएं. सेल्फ ड्राइव टूवर्ड्स इन द यूएसए. क्लियर हो गया. बिल्कुल ऐसे ही है कि आप फर्ज करें इस्लामाबाद गए, वहाँ से आपने गाड़ी ली, 4-5 लोग आप बैठे, आप लोग आगे घूम फिर के आए, वापसी पे इस्लामाबाद में गाड़ी वापस की और लाहौर आ गए. ठीक हो गया. दैट इज़ व्हाट वी कॉल सेल्फ ड्राइव टूवर्ड्स. अच्छा, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में एड्रेस दिया हुआ है और क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 से पहले लिखा हुआ है 24 डैश रोड. इसका क्या मतलब है? रोड का नाम जो है वो मिसिंग है. ऑडियो में आपको रोड का नाम बताएंगे, आपने रोड का नाम लिख देना है एंड दैट विल बी योर आंसर. अगर नाम मुश्किल होगा, अनयूजुअल होगा तो उसको वो स्पेल कर देंगे आपके लिए. नाउ प्लीज लिसन.
Good morning, World Tours. My name is Jamie. How can I help you?
Good morning. I want some information on self-drive tours in the USA. Could you send me a brochure?
Of course. Could I have your name, please?
Andrea Brown.
Thank you. And your address?
24 Ardley Road.
Can you spell that?
Ardleigh Road.
Postcode?
Okay, so what's the answer? ARDLEIGH Ardley Road. यहाँ तक कोई मुश्किल? ठीक है. स्टार्ट शुरू के अगर आपने 2-3 आंसर्स अच्छे ढूंढ लिए फौरन, उसके बाद आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल इतना बढ़ जाएगा कि पूरी लिसनिंग जो है वो आपके लिए फिर आसान रहेगी. एक चीज़ अवॉइड करनी है कि शुरू में कोई स्यापा ना पड़े. मतलब ये नहीं है कि पहले ही 1-2 क्वेश्चन में जनाब पता ही नहीं चला कि कुछ गुजर गया है, तो वो फीलिंग जो है ना वो आपको डीमोरलाइज भी कर सकती है. थोड़ा इसका ख्याल रखते हैं. अच्छा जी, आगे पोस्ट कोड आ गया, फ़ोन नंबर आ गया, ऑडियो में ही चलेगा. हर्ड अबाउट कंपनी फ्रॉम, इसको हम कहते हैं सोर्स ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन, कि आपने कंपनी के बारे में आपको कहाँ से पता चला. अब क्या हो सकता है? फ्रेंड हो सकता है, न्यूज़पेपर हो सकता है, मैगजीन हो सकता है, टीवी हो सकता है, रेडियो हो सकता है. ठीक है, कहीं पे भी आपको पता चला. अब आपने गौर से सुनना है और इसमें ट्रैप भी आ सकता है. ट्रैप क्या होगा कि वो शायद ये कहे कि नो इट वाजंट माय फ्रेंड. लाइक अगर वो क्वेश्चन करते हैं हाउ डिड यू कम टू नो अबाउट अस, डिड योर फ्रेंड टेल यू. क्वेश्चन में कभी भी आंसर नहीं होगा. अब ये क्वेश्चन है, डिड योर फ्रेंड टेल यू, और वो आंसर में कहेगी नो एक्चुअली आई वॉच्ड एन एड ऑन टीवी और आई लर्न अबाउट यू फ्रॉम द इंटरनेट. क्वेश्चन टाइप क्या है? 1 word only. ठीक है.
And can I ask you where you heard about World Tours? From a friend, or did you see an advert somewhere?
No, I read about you in the newspaper.
Okay, I'll get the brochures in the post to you, but can I give you some
I read about you in the newspaper. So उसने क्वेश्चन में बोला from a friend, लेकिन वो ट्रैप था. राइट. अच्छा जी, इसके बाद ट्रिप 1, इसको बंद करवा दें. ठीक है. ट्रिप 1 इज लॉस एंजलिस Customer wants to visit some dash parks. अब dash parks का मतलब है type of parks, और type of parks में कुछ भी आ सकता है. amusement park जिसमें झूले लगे होते हैं, botanical park या कोई भी ऐसा park, right? They will talk about it. So अब आपने गौर से सुनना है और देखना है कि कस्टमर जो है वो किस किस्म के पार्क्स को विजिट करना चाहता है, और आंसर जो है वो पार्क्स के साथ आएगा.
Okay, we have a couple of self-drive tours there visiting different places of interest in California. The first one begins in Los Angeles, and there's plenty of time to visit some of the theme parks there.
That's something on my children's list, so I'd want to include that.
Good.
THEME, theme parks, exactly. मैं दोबारा प्ले कर देता हूँ अगर किसी का मिस हो गया तो.
Okay, we have a couple of self-drive tours there visiting different places of interest in California. The first one begins in Los Angeles, and there's plenty of time to visit some of the theme parks there.
There is plenty of time to visit some of the theme parks there. So theme is the answer. Okay, next we've got Yosemite Park. Customer wants to stay in a lodge, not a. अब आपने फोकस करना है नॉट पे. अगर वो कहना we don't want to stay in, okay, we would not like to stay in, जहां पे वो स्टे नहीं करना चाहते वो आपका आंसर होगा. अगर वो ये कहें we would like to stay in a something, that will not be the answer. The answer is where they don't want to stay.
Then you drive to San Francisco. From San Francisco, you can drive to Yosemite Park, where you spend a couple of nights. You can choose to stay in a lodge or on the campsite.
I don't like the idea of staying in a tent. It'd be too hot.
Right. And the tour ends in Las Vegas.
Okay.
I don't like tent. I don't like the idea of staying in the tent. So tent, T-A-N-T. Good. T-E-N-T. कोई तो छुपा हुआ तो नहीं है? All right.
सर मैं चेंज करने लगा.
क्या करने लगे थे?
मैंने टेंट सही लिखा था.
फिर
आपने एक था मेरे.
नहीं. ओके, जस्ट चेक करने के लिए. आंसर पे कॉन्फिडेंट रहना है. अच्छा जी, ट्रिप नंबर 2 पे आ जाएं. कस्टमर वांट्स टू सी द डैश ऑन द वे टू कैम्ब्रिया. अब कैम्ब्रिया के रास्ते में कोई चीज आएगी, उस चीज को कस्टमर देखना चाहता है. कैम्ब्रिया का वर्ड इंपॉर्टेंट है. बोलेंगे ऑन वे टू कैम्ब्रिया, यू कैन ऑल्सो इन समथिंग लाइक दैट, और ऑन वे टू कैम्ब्रिया देयर इज अ ब्यूटीफुल वट एवर. सो दैट विल बी द आंसर.
The other trip we can arrange is slightly different. It starts in San Francisco, then you drive south to Cambria.
Someone told me there's a really nice castle near Cambria. Will we go near that?
Hearst Castle is on that road, so you could stop there.
Good. I'd like to do that. Does this trip also go into the desert?
No, it continues to Santa Monica, where most people like to stop and do some shopping.
Castle. Desert is just a trap, right? Castle. So C-A-S-L-E. Very good. T is silent. Castle. C-A-S-T-L-E. Okay, question number 6, please. At San Diego, one thing is missing. Then at San Diego wants to spend time on the. Now San Diego is important, and they want to spend time on the. Now it's going to be a place or something. They want to spend time on that, right? Okay, let's see.
We haven't.
So can we have a right to highlight any word?
No, you are not even allowed to take highlighters in the examination room. You can only underline with pencil. While taking the test, you will only have pencil or maybe pen. So you can underline the things. Yeah, but highlighters are not allowed at all.
Then we have to remove that.
You don't need to. On question, like for example, you guys are holding question booklet. So on question booklet, jitna marzi gand machaएं, no problem. After that, you will transfer these answers to the answer sheet. So you have to be careful about the answer sheet. Okay, let's move on. Question number 6, please.
We have enough of that at home, so that doesn't interest us.
Okay. Well, you could go straight on to San Diego.
That's good for beaches, isn't it?
That's right. That's a good place to relax, and your children might like to visit the zoo before flying home.
I don't think so. We want some time for sunbathing and swimming.
So, beaches. And zoo was a trap. And the lady said, I don't think so. Right? Yeah. चलिए शुक्र है कम से कम ट्रैप तो समझ आ गया सबको हाँ Okay, I would like to give you an important piece of advice. Whenever it comes to IELTS reading as well as IELTS listening and you are writing your answers on the answer sheet, I would like to strongly recommend to use all capital. I tell you why. I'm sorry to say this. Some of there we call them markers. Marker is a person who has the answer key and they mark your answers. Some of the markers are blind. Why blind? You have written a letter O or A and they will doubt it and they will make your answer wrong. So in order to avoid, and that's what is happening. At the end when you receive the result, you say, wow, my result is really shocking. I was not expecting that thing in reading or in listening. So in reading and listening, what do the markers do? Whatever they understand, they say, okay, now for example, you wrote the word castle and the tail of A is very small. They say, okay, he's written Coastal, C-O-S-T, and they will make it wrong. Okay, so it's a good idea to use all capital. When you write all capital, there is no chance of such type of ambiguities. Okay, so I would advise you to use capital letters. Okay, now we are on page number 11. Questions 7 to 10. Complete the table below. Write one word and or a number. Again, one word and number. Okay, trip 1 and trip 2. Again, we have a table about the trips. Trip number 1, number of days 12, total distance dash kilometer. Now they have used the word total distance. That means there will be a trap. They will say, okay, the first trip is 500 kilometers. We have another one that is 700 kilometers, but the total distance is 1500 kilometers. Or they can say, if you go, it's 700 kilometers, but round trip, it's 1400. Round trip means total distance, right? So let's go on.
So how many days are the trips and how much do they cost?
The first one I told you about is a self-drive tour through California, which lasts 12 days and covers 2,020 kilometers. The shortest journey is 206 kilometers and the longest is 632 kilometers.
So 2020. See that number of days 12, total distance 2020. I play it again.
So how many days are the trips and how much do they cost?
The first one I told you about is a self-drive tour through California, which lasts 12 days and covers 2,020 kilometers.
And covers 2020 kilometers. 2020 will be the answer. Then there is the trap.
The shortest journey is 206 kilometers
206.
and the longest is 632 kilometers.
Longest.
So how many days are the trips?
Now this shortest and longest, they are the part of 2020. They are the part of this, the longest journey and the shortest journey, but total is 2020. Okay, now please come to question number 8. Includes, 3 things are included: accommodation, car, and one. It can be one meal, it can be one something, right? And whatever they say with not or this is not included, that is only a trap. Right? What is included? That is the answer. First they will talk about accommodation, then car, and third one. For one they can also say a or single, something like that. Let's go on.
The cost is £525 per person. That includes accommodation, car rental and a flight, but no meals.
Exactly. And he said but no meals, and a flight but no meals. So flight will be the answer. Okay, now question number 9. Price per person. They say trip 2, 9 days, 980 kilometer, and price per person. Per person means single person price. They might tell you that it will cost you £800 for family and individual price. So individual price is your answer. So the answer is a number actually.
Okay, and the other trip?
That lasts 9 days, but you spend only 3 days on the road. You cover about 980 kilometres altogether.
So is that cheaper then?
Yes, it's almost £100 cheaper. It's £429 per person, which is a good deal.
£100. No, good. £100 cheaper. Well done. 429. And you don't need to write the sign of pound because it's already given. On your answer sheet also you will write 429. Question number 10. Very simple. Includes accommodation, car and something. So please listen.
So that covers accommodation and car hire. What about flights?
They aren't included, but these hotels offer dinner in the price.
Okay, well thank you very much. I'll be in touch when I've had a chance to look at the brochure.
I'm pleased to help. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
Dinner, exactly. Flights means they aren't offering any flights. Then you can write the sign also. Even if now you write the sign, they will not make your answer wrong. Okay, you can write this. But if you write pounds, on your answer sheet you write 429 pounds and the question type is one word, one word and or a number, even then it will be acceptable, right? All right, so please you can change the video. Iski beginning ending. Welcome back. Thank you very much guys. So now at least in listening part 1 you are not going to lose any mark. I also teach IELTS on campus in Lahore and online all over the world. If you want to join my online or on-campus classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you all the best. Take care. Allah Hafiz.